The LPGA Information Technology and Services team is proud to announce the immediate launch of our new Unified Support Portal. The new portal was developed in order to streamline the way staff interact with IT and eliminate guesswork by providing a single destination for any and every IT request. Everything from help with unjamming your printer to a request for a new company-wide software application can now be requested from the same place. This new support portal simplifies everything. As a staff member, you now have a single process to follow for submitting any IT request. The intelligence built into the portal will ensure your request gets routed to the best person to help. For IT staffers, the new portal will help us to better track, prioritize, and service your requests, resulting in faster response times and better customer satisfaction. Now that you've heard a bit about our reasons for creating this new portal, let's take a quick look at how you can use it. To access the Unified Support Portal, simply point your web browser to help.lpga.com. We've also updated our email signatures to include a direct link to the portal for your convenience. From the main screen, you'll notice that there are 3 main request types that you can choose from. If you roll your mouse over each icon, you'll get a brief description of the types of requests that fall into that category. The Software Bugs category should be used for any issue related to an application that LPGA IT has developed, such as On the Green, the online player portals, the Eagles scoring system, etc., which isn't working the way it was designed. When we say that an application isn't working as designed, we mean that the application was built to do one thing, but it's actually doing something else. Some examples of items that might go into the Software Bugs bucket are any error messages that you encounter when using LPGA software, functionality within an application that used to work but no longer does, functionality within an application not working according to the specifications. The next category is software enhancements. This category should be used for making changes or updates to an existing application, such as adding additional functionality or changing the way existing functionality works, requesting entirely new applications. The final category is Other Items. This category should be used for any request that doesn't fit into the 2 other categories. Now that we've talked about the different categories, let's walk through submitting an example request. For this demo, I'll submit a software bug. The first step I should take is to select the appropriate category from the main menu. After I've chosen the category, I'm presented with a form that asks me for some basic information. The first item on the form is bug name, and this is simply a brief description of the bug you're reporting. For instance, can't save changes in On the Green. Next, we need to provide the name of the application that this bug affects, which in this case would be On the Green. The bug description is where you can give us some additional details about the specific issue you're facing. When filling this form out, it's better to provide too much information versus not enough. Although you might save yourself a few seconds when submitting your request by omitting those details, it'll end up causing your request to take longer overall because we won't be able to start working on your request until we can get the details we need. Next, we have expected behavior, which as it sounds, is what you expected to happen. Again, being detailed here will help us to quickly assess and respond to your request. Finally, the actual behavior field is where you can tell us what actually happened. When IT reviews the expected behavior and actual behavior fields, we should have a good understanding of what you expected to happen versus what actually happened, and we can use this information to fix the problem. Once the form is completely filled out, click the Submit Bug Report button to submit it to IT for review. After the form is submitted, you'll get a confirmation page that tells you your request has been assigned a tracking number, which you can use if you want to follow up on the status of the request. At this point, you also have the opportunity to attach files to your request, which is useful if you want to submit a screenshot, log file, or other additional information. Once you've submitted the request, you're done. Someone from the IT team will contact you shortly with more information. Although we're only covering the bug report category in this short demo, the other categories operate much the same, so now that you've seen how one category works, you should be well equipped to use all 3. While the old ways of getting support from IT, such as emailing a request to support@lpga.com, will still work, We're encouraging everyone to use the new portal because it sorts requests automatically, ensuring that your request gets to the best person to help more quickly. Thanks for reviewing this short introduction to the Unified Support Portal. We know that all staff are busy and appreciate that you've taken the time out of your day. If you're unclear on any topics that were covered in this video, or have other questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call or stop by to chat.